Hello, welcome to my channel. I will tell you a story about it. Bill Gates. When Bill Gates was a child, he was very smart and loved to read and learn. He had a lot of books at home and would spend hours reading stories and learning new things. His parents always believed that Bill could do something amazing, so they supported him in everything he did. At the age of 12, Bill lived in Seattle, USA. Back then, computers were rare, and not many people had them. But Bill was lucky because there was one computer at his school. Bill would go there every day to learn how the computer worked. He spent hours programming and playing with codes, loving how computers could do so many things. One day, Bill felt something special while using the computer. He discovered that he could write instructions for the computer to make it do what he wanted. Bill got very excited about this discovery and decided to focus on learning everything about computers and software. At the age of 15, Bill started writing computer programs. He began programming simple games and other programs, spending long hours in front of the computer screen. Bill had a big dream in his heart: to change the world with software. As Bill got older, he made a bold decision. He chose to leave Harvard University to follow his dream. Although his parents were worried, they supported his decision. Bill started his own company in software, and he named it Microsoft. In the beginning, things were difficult. Bill and his team worked hard to create their first computer program that anyone could use easily. After many years of hard work, Bill achieved his dream. The Windows program became one of the most famous systems in the world. Bill's success didn't just change his life, it helped millions of people all over the world use technology more easily. Bill Gates never forgot his dream. Throughout his life, he continued to work on improving technology and helping others achieve their dreams. Because of his love for learning and passion for computers, Bill Gates became one of the richest and most famous businessmen in the world. Today, Bill Gates is an example of determination and hard work. He shows us that a big dream and dedication can lead a person to success, no matter the challenges. This ends the mini story. I see you soon. Don't forget